Can GetCashTo be used to make money? Is this GetCashTo a real program? GetCashTo is a web app that promises to help people make money through a referral program. It also has a bunch of online jobs that people can do to make money. GetCashTo says it is the best social media app for making money online through referrals, games, and surveys. The site says that you can work from home and make a good amount of money. Also, they say you can make $10 for each person you invite, $2 for each click, and $25 just for signing up. How well does that fit? Continue watching. Can you earn money with a Refer and Earn program? Referral programs, also called Refer and Earn programs, are a way to make money. In these programs, you usually tell other people about a product or service and get a commission or other reward for every person you refer who signs up or buys something. There are many different kinds of referral programs, and they can be a good way to make extra money if you can get people to use a product or service that you recommend. But before you join a referral program, you should do a lot of research because some may not be real or may not give you the rewards they say they will. The GetCashTo referral program doesn't seem to be real, since the only way to make money is to send new people to the site. There are a lot of jobs, but most of them are scams that don't pay. In the end, it will turn into a pyramid scheme where new users pay for old users without adding any value. Can you make money by taking paid surveys on GetCashTo? Paid surveys are a way to make money, but you should know that many of them are scams, and you should be careful about giving out personal information. Most of the time, legitimate paid survey sites will pay you a small amount of money for your time and opinion. These surveys can be done online or over the phone, and they might ask you about consumer products, marketing campaigns, and current events, among other things. But it's important to know that many paid survey websites are not real and are only there to get your personal information, not to pay you for your time and opinions. These websites might ask for sensitive information like your social security number or bank account information, which they could use to commit fraud. If you want to take paid surveys, you should do your research and only sign up for sites that are known to be reliable. Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Vendale Research are all good examples of paid survey sites that are legit. Also, it's important to remember that paid surveys are not a reliable way to make money and shouldn't be used as your main source of income. They can be a way to make a little extra money, but they shouldn't be used as your main source of income. Is GetCashTo scam or legit? GetCashTo.com was registered on October 18, 2022, but their sales page says they paid over $13 million. This sounds like a very false claim. Also, the screenshots of payments shown in the success stories have been changed. We have a lot of doubts about how real this website is, so we recommend that you stay away from it and don't waste your time on it. How to detect scam sites? In reality, there are a lot of fake websites like GetCashTo on the internet, and they are getting more and more convincing. Trend Microcheck is a free tool that will help people find and avoid scam websites in the easiest and most reliable way. Our free browser extension and mobile app, Trend Microcheck, can protect you from scam and malware-infected websites, dangerous emails, phishing links, and a lot more. You'll be warned right away if you come across something dangerous online, so you'll know to stay away. If you want to make money online in a legit way, you can try write-up reviews, where you can earn money by trying out different mobile apps and games. All you have to do is try out an app and write a short review of it. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please share it with your friends and family to help keep the online community safe and secure. Also, please click like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this.